Got these overgrown grapes. Last year they graped out and then they all rotted. And it's probably been mismanaged, so we're gonna do some pruning today. You know, gonna get those taken care of. There you have it. We took a whole bunch off, but I'm going 1 node, 2 node. I'm going right there. Say what you will. Sure, there's people know a lot more about this, but got some congested spots I'm trying to really clean up too. That might all be dead right there, actually. That felt pretty dead. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a really big one there. Yeah, it looks a lot better though. Starting to look more and more better. Garden full of snow. Gonna be a good year though. Raised beds this time. I gotta get down. I'm gonna cut more of these posts here and put a couple raised beds in here and a lot better. A lot less dense. So hopefully that'll help with the rot. I kind of think it was just so congested. Maybe that was a big factor. Play it by ear though. Stick around for the maple. That's gonna be the big one. That there is a sugar maple leaf. Same one that's on the Canadian flag. And that tree with the orange dot there, we'll be tapping.